Yo, what's going on YouTube? First and foremost, how are you guys? I hope everything's going good with you guys. I hope life is treating you guys good. And I hope you guys do not stop the grinding. First, I want to say big shout out to all you guys because we hit the 200 mark subscribers. We are at 202, I believe, subscribers. So thank you to all of you guys who sub. If you guys have not subscribed yet, please go make sure you hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on no content. Today we are gonna be working on a Cadillac Escalade 2007 standard key. Also, I do not own any copyrights to no music, to no any music that you hear in the background, because I know they have music playing right now on the other side of the shop. But let's go ahead and get straight to this. Customer came in today wanting a compustar alarm and remote start. This is the system. Okay, the module oh my god the module we will be using today is a Blade AL. Remember, with this module you have to flash these modules for the system depending on your car. Again, today we're going to be working on a Cadillac 2007 Escalade, but this system works from, I believe, 7 to 14. Yeah, right here, 2007 to 2014. Okay, and here is everything that is telling us that it's gonna do. Let me zoom in real quick right there. Okay, so we got the factory alarm disarm, which we need that. We don't want the factory alarm to go off just because it doesn't detect the unlock from your aftermarket system. It's gonna do the locks, which is the door lock, unlock. It's gonna apparently do the trunk release, but in reality it all depends on the system. If the car already comes with a factory release from factory, which I believe it should because it has it on the remote, so the module should do it as well. It's gonna detect the doors right here, the door status. So when you open the door and the car is locked, once it detects a door, it's gonna go off. The alarm feature is gonna go off, letting you know that the door's open, somebody opened the door. Same thing with the hood, same thing with the trunk. It's gonna do your brake supposedly, but again, like always, I always leave my wire for the brake towards the end, if in case I have to hook it up manually. And the wrap shutdown, the tachometer, and all that stuff. So we're gonna go down to type 2. That's type 1, type 2. Okay, so this is your system, the compustar. This is the module harness. So from your compustar, all you're gonna really need is the 12 volts accessory, ground, and ignition, which is from this plug. 12 volts, which is the two red ones up here. Ignition, which is your green one, solid green right here. And then accessory, which is your white one. And then the ground, you're not gonna use the yellow one, that's starter. You're not gonna use the green white, that's the parking light positive. So you cut those two. And you're not gonna use the blue one, which is your second ignition or second accessory. Second accessory, my bad. Since it doesn't say we need any second whatever, right? So you use only the two reds, the green, the white, and the black from this plug. From this plug right here, which is the module harness, you're gonna need white, black, white, red, yellow, orange, and pink. The pink one from your module, from your wire harness, you're gonna hook up that pink one to your accessory, which is the white one, which I already did. I already prepped everything. Everything's clean and ready. So what I mean is hook them up is practically just get this pink one from this white one, you peel it a little bit right here, hook up that pink one to that white one, and then tape it up, so that way you only have the white one. Notice how I don't have the pink one here. Or if you don't want to unite them down here, you could just leave the two wires up here and then hook them both up to your harness. But it's easier for me to, you know, just have one wire and I won't forget, oh, I have to hook up two of them at the same time. That's what, you know, the whole prepping is before you install the system. All we're gonna be grabbing from the switch is two plugs, which we already got here. We're also gonna be messing with the BCM to get the horn, which is the klaxon. Possibly the brake, again depending if we have to hook it up manually, and the parking light negative. I'll talk to you about that in a bit. Right here we're gonna be grabbing the constant 12 volts. You could grab from any one of these, but I'm gonna grab from this one. It's the thickest one. We don't want to grab little thin ones because the system needs good power. So we're done with this one. We're done with this one. This one is your functions, I guess you could say, for the system. Most of these you're not going to use because again your module is going to do everything. So from here all you're going to grab is the same color that you have here. Is going to be thinner over here though. So green white, which is that one right there in the corner. You're going to grab that one. You're going to grab the white one. Look, there's the green white. Okay, the white one, which I believe should be right here next to this blue one, and then a blue white one. So again, the green white is your negative parking light, the white one is gonna be your klaxon, and then the blue white is gonna be your brake, but that's gonna be towards the end. This green white one, parking light, white one horn, and then blue whites for the brake. This white one, and I believe only those two. Yeah, I believe only those two. I kind of messed up here though. I shouldn't have used, or I shouldn't have taped these up together with everything. I should have taped them up separately. But those two, the green white and the white, we're gonna tape them separately because only those two are gonna go here in the BCM. Everything else is gonna go up here. So let's get started. I'm gonna kind of speed through this. The antenna, we start off with the antenna, put it up there or under there, never right there where the little black dots are, because that could interrupt the signal. The little small LED, this system also comes with a small LED, this one right here. This one you could put up here in the corner or in the corner down here. It's wherever you feel like putting it. It's just a little scanner. So yeah, you run them down here, and then to take this off, all you gotta do is remove this handle, this lever. Let me see if I can find it here real quick. Right here. This. All you do is grab a flat, pry it between the lever, the handle, and this piece, pry it out, and it's just like a tough clip to take this piece off. Nothing from here is screwed down, so just pry it open with your hands or with your flathead. Pry this down. As far as this panel down here, you have two screws, one down here, somewhere around here, right here, one right here, and one all the way over here. I believe they should be Phillip head screws. If not, they might be torqued, but I'm pretty sure they're Phillip heads or 7s as well. Right here, you're gonna have a 10mm for your brake release, which is right there, just one 10mm. Then this you slide back, slide it off, move it to the side, and then this you just, oh wait, we gotta take this off first. So with your hands, you could grab from down here, pry it off, or flathead, pry it off, and then you could remove this whole piece. Okay, that's pretty much all you need to disconnect. Again, we're only going to be using these two plugs, 12 volts here, and like 2 wires right here in the BCM. As far as these plugs, this one it's got a little clip, this little red clip. All you do is lift it up and then push down on this clip, take that off, and then this one push down right here, take it off, and then that's it. Okay, let me go ahead and start running my antenna. Let me fix this and then we can get back to this. All right, we're back. So first, start off here. To take this piece off, all you gotta do is just like 2 little clips up here and then up here. No, up here, my fault. Right here and right there. What you're gonna do is send your little small flathead to where you see the little gap between this metal piece and a little small black clip. There you go, that's a little bit better. Right there, you see that little gap? Right there. So you just pull this clip down, and same thing on the other side, and then this piece comes off. So that way it'd be easier for you to run your 12 volts, the red wire, from back here to over here up to this wire. All right, that's your 12 volts. Tape this up. You should be done with that one. Then right here on this plug, the one that has a security pin, I guess you could say, you have to get only 2 wires, a pink and a pink black. But the pink black could also be another pink. So what you do is first find out whether you have pink black or 2 pinks. In my case, I have 2. I have 1 pink black, which is this one, and the other pink, which is this one. Now you may have 2 pinks, solid pinks, and no pink black. So that way you guys won't get confused. The one away from the brown one, or no, okay, we'll just go with the one next to the brown one. The one next to the brown one is gonna be your ignition, and this one you're gonna hook up your green, which is the ignition from your remote start system. And then the other one, pink black, again, it could be pink, same color as the ignition. This one, the one that's away or furthest from the brown wire, is gonna be your, I believe, pass lock. Yes, pass lock. So you peel that and you hook up your orange, my fault, your yellow one. Then that's it. You tape this up, everything, and then we go to the other one. You could kind of see I already taped this up, but no problem, I could help you guys out either way. Right here, starting off with the, there you go, with the red white, that's your 12 volts. And then you're gonna split it, so you cut that wire, the side that goes away from the pin, from the plug, right here. So the side that goes away from the plug, you're gonna hook up the white red, and the one that goes, the side that goes towards the plug, you're gonna hook up the white black from your module. Okay, the one next to that one, which is this brown one, is gonna be accessory. So you peel it, you hook up your thick white one to that bright one, the brown one. You skip this black one, this black white one, that's your ground, but I don't ground it there, I ground it right here, but we'll get into that right now. We go to this green one, and this green one is your SWC, and I believe it's your orange one. Yeah, it's your orange one. So this one, peel it up here, orange from your module, this orange one, you hook it up to that green one. That's it. Tape everything up, bada bing bada boom. And then right here you plug everything back in. As far as the BCM, like I said, we will be having to get some wires at the BCM. So we're gonna grab two plugs, the brown one, which is up here underneath this pink one, right here in the BCM. Right there's a BCM underneath this pink one. It's got this clip pushed down and then pry it out, and then all the way down here, same location at the BCM, the second from the bottom on top of this green one. Where is it at? Right there. This one, this white one, same thing. Pull down on this, pop it out, and then we're gonna first grab from this brown plug. You're gonna grab this tan wire, that's all the way at the edge, not the corner one, because you see how there's a missing wire at the corner. This tan one right here, pin 18, that is gonna be your horn. You're gonna hook up this thin white one. Then you're done with here, tape this up, plug that back in, and then down here in this white one, okay, this white one, right underneath this brown white, I believe it's brown white, or it's a solid brown. I believe it's a brown white. Yeah, underneath this brown white is this light blue one. Right there, right, this one, light blue. That one is going to be your parking light. So that wire, you're gonna hook up your thin green white negative parking light. Once you're done with that, tape it up, plug this back in. What we're gonna do is, step one is close driver door, reopen the door, put the key in the ignition, open the switch. The light on the module should stay on blue for 2 seconds. Once it turns off after 2 seconds, close the switch. You go ahead and do lock. There you go, see it, the program. I didn't catch it on camera, sorry about that, guys. Then unlock. There you go. So unlock once to unlock the driver door, and 2 times to unlock all the other doors. And then for remote start is this button right here. Press and hold it for like 2-ish seconds. 1, 2. It's gonna beep. You let go. Yes sir, yes sir. As far as the trunk, same thing. All right, we put everything back together. Let's test it out one more time before we turn it into the customer. Lock. Press this once to unlock. It's gonna unlock the driver door. You press it again to unlock all the other doors. Trunk, press and hold until it does the function or until it beeps. Remote start, press and hold. Yes sir. It's gonna stay on for 15 minutes. Once those 15 minutes are up, the car turns off automatically in case somebody remote started it by accident. Or you could, the same way you turn it on, you could turn it off the same way. Once you have a remote start, unlock the car, hop inside, put the key in the switch, flick it 2 times, 1, 2. Don't crank it all the way. Then you hit the brake, and then you could shift gears and you could head out. If for whatever reason, let's say you forget to put the key in, or it's on the first switch right there, the first switch, not the second one, once you hit that brake, the car turns off. That's just a anti-theft feature. If that happens to you, just unlock it and then turn it on with the key. All right guys, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys were able to install your own alarm and remote starts. Good name, run to compustar. on your own Cadillac 2007 to 2014, I believe it was. Hit that thumbs up, that like button, comment what you guys have questions on, help, whatever it is, or whatever. If you guys want to see another video on a specific car for your car, let me know. I'll try to get that recorded, and as soon as I do, I'll upload it. Again, thank you guys for your support. To all the subscribers, if you're not subscribed, please make sure you hit that sub, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.